I'm here with my Dash Flex Press grill system and some fresh trout. The question is, will it grill? Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. I was in Stu Leonard's the other day, which is a local supermarket, and they had some beautiful fresh trout for sale. So I thought I would buy some and see how well it grills on my Dash Flex Press grill system. Here's my grill, and inside I have the grill plates on both the top and the bottom. It's a little wet right now because I just rinsed it off, but I am going to plug this in, and now I'm heating it up. Here's the trout fillet, and it opens up like this, and you can see the beautiful fillets here. There are many different ways to cook this. You could add some lemon slices and some onions. That's really great. You could also add some tomato and garlic. That's really great. Today, I'm just making this plain just so we can see how well it cooks in this Flex Press grill system. Also, I do have some pets who enjoy cooked fish, and they can't eat it if it has onion, garlic, or lemon on it. So that's another reason why I'm just going to cook this one plain. Let's see how it comes out. The grill is heated up, so now I'm just going to put this whole fish on it, just like this. Let's see how it does. A little bit of the tail's hanging off the end here. I'm going to let this cook for about 8 minutes. It has been 8 minutes, so let's see what's going on in here. That looks good. I was able to tuck the tail in. We have really nice grill marks. Can I open this or no? All right, I'm going to take the whole thing off. The internal temperature is well above what we need for trout. Let's see if we could open this. I think the fillet is stuck together because there's nothing in between them. There's some fish. All right, so what's happening here is the skin is just peeling off. Like it's just peeling off beautifully. Very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look how that skin just peeled right off. It's nice and flaky. It's really nicely cooked. One of the things I'm missing is the smokiness that you get if you're grilling this over like a charcoal grill or a wood grill. But other than that, it's really good. I'm going to put some of this aside. This is the part that I will be eating. I made myself a tartar sauce with mayonnaise and dill pickle relish and some Old Bay seasoning. I love Old Bay. So I made like an Old Bay tartar sauce. Old Bay gives it like some heat because it's spicy. And it's known to go perfectly with fish, so let's give this a taste. That is so good. That is so good. I'm not really much of a fan of tartar sauce because I'm not a fan of mayonnaise. But when you add the Old Bay seasoning to it, oh my gosh, it's just really good. And so that's how easy it is to make grilled trout with this Dash Flex Press grill system. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.